Hello YouTube, I'm getting ready to do a video of my fire alarm collection, updated. It's getting pretty big, and I have a new alarm to show you, and its instructions. Here is my collection. It's a Simplex 2901933 bell, Edwards Integrity, Simplex 2901 9806, Simplex 2901 9838, Wheelock EHSDL1, Simplex 4903 9011 strobe, Simplex 2903 light, Simplex 4903 light, Simplex 4099 9001 pool, Pyrotronics HSB-24F, the new alarm, the Wheelock V7001T, V7001 test, 24-WFR, or it's an instruction WFR. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. 3 Simplex 4050-80s or 4051 horns. These are rare. Edwards Integrity horn. EHSD on one horn without, I took the strobe off. It was like the 4-wire version. The strobe decided not to work. You can see that the Pyrotronics and Wheelock 7001T strobes are different. The Pyrotronics has thicker fire lettering, or the newer Wheelock 7001T, the older one, has thin fire lettering and a wider strobe. That's more gray. This feels bumpy, and this feels like sandpaper. I got this new in box. Here is, well, that's about it, YouTube. Bye.